If you're researching medications that contain tirzepatide, you've probably come across Zepbound and Mounjaro. At first glance, they may seem almost identical because they contain the same active ingredient. However, they are approved for different medical conditions, and understanding those differences is important before starting treatment. So, what are the pros and cons of Zepbound and Mounjaro in 2026? In this comparison, we'll explain how each medication works, their key advantages, and the factors you should consider before talking with your healthcare provider. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that both medications contain tirzepatide. Tirzepatide works by activating both the GLP-1 and GIP receptors. This dual-action mechanism helps regulate blood sugar, slows stomach emptying, reduces appetite, and helps many people feel full for longer after eating. Let's begin with Zepbound. Zepbound is FDA approved for chronic weight management in eligible adults when combined with a healthy diet and regular physical activity. It was specifically developed for people whose primary goal is long-term weight loss and weight management. One of Zepbound's biggest advantages is that it is approved specifically for obesity and overweight management in eligible patients. Clinical studies have shown significant average weight loss when the medication is used consistently alongside lifestyle changes. Now let's look at Mounjaro. Mounjaro is approved to improve blood sugar control in adults with type 2 diabetes. While many patients also experience substantial weight loss, its primary approved purpose is diabetes management. One advantage of Mounjaro is that it helps lower blood sugar while also supporting weight reduction for many patients with type 2 diabetes. For individuals living with diabetes, it can provide two important benefits in a single medication. Both medications are injected once a week using a pre-filled injection pen. The dosage is increased gradually over time to help reduce common digestive side effects while allowing the body to adjust to treatment. Because both medications contain the same active ingredient, their side effects are also very similar. The most common include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, stomach pain, and reduced appetite. These symptoms are usually more noticeable during the first weeks of treatment or after increasing the dose. Another important consideration is insurance coverage. Depending on your country and health insurance plan, one medication may be covered while the other is not. Availability and eligibility requirements also vary between healthcare systems. So, what are the pros and cons? Zepbound is specifically approved for chronic weight management, making it a strong choice for eligible patients whose primary goal is weight loss. Mounjaro is designed for adults with type 2 diabetes and offers excellent blood sugar control, while also producing significant weight loss in many patients. Since both medications contain tirzepatide, the biggest difference is not how they work, but the condition they are approved to treat and the healthcare goals they are intended to address. Ultimately, the best option depends on your medical history, your health goals, and your healthcare provider's recommendation. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below, sharing which medication you'd like to learn more about.